January the 10th, and it's crazy, but we got hella snow here in Atlanta. Yeah, there hasn't been this much snow, I think, since the year my son was born. He is definitely the snow king. So we'll be celebrating his birthday in the house. His 14th birthday. We have plans to go snow tubing, but I don't even think we'll be able to get there. But yeah. This is the snow. It's beautiful. Snow in Atlanta 2024. He just want to use them tires. Hey y'all, so I'm at my desk. I have to work today, so I know I look a little crazy. I just woke up. So I'm gonna log in, do a little look at my emails a little bit. I'm gonna bake my son's cake. I think he was up late. Right now it's 9:13. So I think he was up late, so I might have enough time to get the cake together. His dad was able to get to the store and get him a card. I already have his gifts, and I bought the wrapping paper and stuff. So hopefully we'll be able to put together a little birthday surprise before he wakes up. So I'll check in with you guys when I make the cake.
It's that warm pocket of air gets a little bit deeper. That's when you get freezing rain. That's that rain that freezes on contact with the ground. In fact, I was just checking some reports now in parts of the south side.
Oh my gosh, there's so many. It's a winter wonderland, right? I know I do sports reporting, but I never thought I'd be reporting on snowboarding and skiing, especially once I left Colorado. And these guys, well, they're doing it. I'm gonna give them the go. I've got a skier here. This is Brandon and Beth snowboarding. They both love it. They've done it in Colorado.
Wow. Birthday boy.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday boy. 14 years old.
Happy birthday. Oh, we gotta do it when we light the stuff.
You like that? Did you like it?
Yeah. I don't know what I did with it.
You did what?
Oh.
Happy birthday boy. Big 1-4. Boy, the big 1-4. Big 1-4, man.
Oh, we can do this part. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to
Quentin.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, boy.
Happy birthday, son.
Big boy. Get up through there, boy. You're getting old now. You're getting old.
Make your wish.
I see a gray hair, too.
Make your wish, baby. Yay!
Okay. What you want to do? That's all on you.
That's all you, babe.
I got a lot of Takis.
A lot of them, boy. A lot of single packs.
And then the mini con that I like.
A lot of single packs.
And I got some gummy bears.
Some snack.
Yeah.
Good kind of gummy bear, too. Got you some good snacks because we snowed in on your birthday.
The Snow King.
The
It's
Snow
right
King.
on brand with him.
Right on brand. Born in the blizzard. See some dollar signs.
Oh, it's in a Nike box. It's in a Nike box.
Money inside the shoebox. Need that PlayStation, cooling station, keep the game from overheating, and you can plug up multiple things in it.
So he got a little money rug,
Definitely
like
need that.
money.
Oh.
Got a PlayStation stand.
Wow.
Got a
Definitely need that.
cream. Move over and see the camera, baby, so you can see.
Like,
You like it?
Yeah. That's really cool.
you know where I am. Pretty down here. Oh yeah, I fit perfect too.
Yeah. Snow falling, the cards falling.
Happy birthday, Quentin Omari.
Had to. That's candy.
What that is?
Got a Roblox
Oh.
gift card. Got a Roblox gift card.
Yay. What does it say in the essay?
I can't read your handwriting.
I can't. Let me put my glasses on. It says, Quentin, you make me proud every single day. I love you, Mom. It said, with lots of love for a wonderful, smart, charming, talented, delightful, good-looking, what? Altogether fantastic son. More than what I could have dreamed of, aka Kiana, the proud mom. Okay. What's next?
I signed it Kiana by accident.
Yeah.
Just so used to
Kiana, the proud mom.
And I was like, dang, I messed it up.
The proud mom. Woo-hoo, boy.
Marshalls.
Okay, boy, you can buy you some gear.
Yes,
You wanna get you a nice
okay.
little piece of gear.
Okay. Oh, I'm getting used to this camera. Okay, I like this little camera.
Say, what the card say?
Hope it's a wonderful and very happy birthday.
From Granddaddy.
So I wasn't talking to you. I was talking.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Son, you walk like you're wearing new shoes even when you're not. And this
Okay.
is a lot of money. It says, happy birthday to the best son in the world. That's confidence. That's cool. That's you. So proud of you. Happy birthday. You are not only my son, but also my friend. Love you always. Your dad.
Okay. Happy birthday,
And you got
boy.
me a lot of money.
Happy birthday, boy. 14 years old.
Go ahead, son. Cut into your cake. However you want to do it. It's all yours anyway. Kinda. It's all good. However it turns out, it's fine. It doesn't matter. You have to use your hand now, darling. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, oh. Okay. It's a video.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, son. We love you.
Big 1-4.
We love you.
See, look at
Whatever.
that.
Oh, wow. Did you grow for real?
Hey, boy, you don't grew overnight. You wasn't this tall last night. Woke up this morning for his 14th birthday.
And now you taller than your
Taller
mama.
than your mom.
Oh, goodness.
You just go. Enough like I.
But the